Since Omni One can do it almost all, you can safely assume it will be able to change facial expressions. Let's just give it a go. Right here on Omni One, we just need to attach an image and provide an instruction to change the expression. I'm going to be using a very specific type of face, so I will go to Uploads and I will use this image, this image of a woman. And I'm using this very specific shot and subject because it has a very flat type of expression. So since it's flat, we can prompt to make her smile, sad, or to do something else. Since I have it uploaded already, I need to go to Image and then select from History and then take it to the Uploads. There we go. I'm going to select this one and then confirm. According to KLING documentation on Omni One, you need to do this with a template. And the template is change the expression to and then the expression. I'm going to make sure that I am on 16.9 and get one single output. And I'm going to run a few expressions in a row and then we will check them out when they are ready. I'm going to do @ and then tag the image. And this one is going to be change the expression to and then we provide the expression. I'm going to do smile, then run the task, then change the expression to laugh. You need to run the task. Then I'm going to use euphoric. Why not? Run the task again. And then the last one, it's going to be scared and then run it again. Once we get them back, we can really see that we have different expressions. So this one is the laugh. So we are getting a laugh. So that's good. If I go to the next one, this one is euphoric. This one doesn't look like we are getting that expression, which is fine. This one is scared. Is this scared? This is more like sad than scared, in my opinion, of course. If I go to smile, we are getting a nice smile. Although this works with minimal instructions, sometimes you will not get a very authentic, clear expression. You might get an expression that could be confused with something else. We are getting that vibe with the scared example and then the euphoric one. On the KLING's user guide, the guidelines of Omni One, they hint which expressions work well with the model. Now, you don't have a lot, you have only a few. I'm going to put them right now on the screen. So I guess now we need to try some of those. I will do the same than before, @ and then image, and then change the expression to, I'm going to use this expression, why not? Let me delete it. I'm going to do proud. There we go, change the expression to proud. I'm going to run that one. And I'm going to do one more, which is change the expression to this one. And I'm going to just run the prompt and let's see what we get back. Once we get it back, we can see that we don't have a super exaggerated type of change in the expression. Then this is the proud. Again, it's just very similar to the other ones. And then we go to the next one in. Again, we get the same thing, almost the same thing. As you can see on Omni One, the change in the expression is not that wild. It's very, very subtle. For that reason, you will sometimes need to support the expression with something else. I'm going to do it right now. Let me give you an example. And sometimes on Omni One, at the time of this recording, you have a bug. Maybe if KLING is just listening, when you run a prompt and maybe you change something and you run it again, it will run the prompt, but it will not clear the cache, which means that it will run the previous prompt. The only solution for this is to copy whatever that you had, delete everything, and then just paste the prompt again, which is not so good, but it's, I guess, an easy fix. I'm going to delete all of this. I will select our woman and then paste the new expression. Change the expression to a sad, watery eyes. So we are providing a little bit more instruction. Let's just run the task. Once we get it back, notice that I'm not getting anything. I'm not even getting a sad type of expression. And I'm showing this to you because I've tested Omni One with expressions a lot, and sometimes you will get it and sometimes you don't. For the most part, it works if you prompt for a very simple expression. Depending on the original image and the expression that you want, you can get mixed results. It's just the way it works. Nonetheless, Omni One is a fantastic reference machine. What we can do is to upload a very specific expression and instruct the model to mimic that expression. If we do something like that, it works fantastic. Of course, I will give you an example. I'm going to keep the image of our woman, but now I will go to image and select one from history, and I will use this expression. Maybe let me confirm first. Let me show you the big image. So this is what we want. I want this expression. And this is a very hard type of expression to prompt. But we don't need to prompt. We can say Omni One, do this expression. Now that we have both references, I'm going to say change the expression on, and then we use the image number 1, which is our subject, to be the same as, and we use the image number 2. I'm going to run the task and let's see if we get it. Once we get it back, we can really confirm that this function, the mimicking the whatever expression, works great. If I take you back again to the original image, this is the expression we want to replicate, and this is what we get back. So in conclusion, prompting for the expression, it's fine, it's okay, but it's a much safer bet if you upload a reference. How can you find a reference? Well, you go to the web, go to images, and you try to find that type of expression. If you cannot find a reference, just take a photo of yourself and instruct the model to use that as a reference. Okay, so if you liked all of this, please like and subscribe. This channel is supported by viewers only. To support this channel, you can buy me a coffee through PayPal, YouTube Thanks, Patreon, or you can join one of my courses. You will find all the links in the description of this video down below.